What's up everyone, welcome to my channel again. And today we're going to do some off-topic video again, and it's about my computer. And well, my computer, there are 3 storage, 1 SSD and 2 hard disks. A 240GB SSD, which is for the Windows OS and the video rendering, and there's a 1TB hard disk for the storage, and also another 500GB hard disk for the database of my YouTube video. So 500GB is not really enough. It's already like 50%, more than 50% used up already. And today I'm going to do some upgrade to the database hard disk. And I got this one, is a WD Blue 2TB hard disk, and I'll be using this for the database, replacing the 500GB hard disk. So I'll temporarily transfer all the database to the 1TB hard disk first, and then we'll do the switching of the hard disk. So I just done transfer the file to my 1TB hard disk, and now it's time to swap out the hard disk. So what do you need to swap the hard disk? First of all, you need a new hard disk, and then you need a container to store all your screws so that your screw won't go missing. You need a screwdriver to screw and unscrew the thing, and you also need a magnet to put on the screwdriver so that the screw won't drop, and also some cable tie just in case you need to remove the cable and or remanage the cable. And also because electronics are sensitive to static, so you have to wash your hand and also ground your body by touching something that is metal. So this is the behind of my computer. It's still quite messy because I'm limited by the length of the wire. I can't really manage it well. And I also have an upgrade to my power supply system. It is no longer a bomb, it is now a bronze certified power supply. And my hard disk is over here. You can see there's 2 hard disks. So I'm going to remove the 500GB one and replace it with the 2TB. So that's it. It's just that simple. And now I just need to copy the database back to the hard disk, and then close the cover of the towel, and then it's all done. I hope you find this video informative, and click like if you like it, comment if you want to say anything, and tell me if you want to see more about my computer. Well, I'm interested to do video about my computer, so let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.